In the competitive market of 2024, cold outreach is a powerful tactic for AI automation agencies aiming to grow their customer base. With the appropriate technique, your firm can effectively contact potential clients, demonstrating your knowledge and the value you add to their business. A great cold outreach strategy involves a combination of personalized, targeted, and value driven approaches to engage potential customers. Let us dive into 14 strategies for effective cold outreach for your AI automation agency. First is personalized email campaigns. Making customized emails is one of the most crucial things you can do to attract prospective clients. Start the email by addressing the recipient by name and include pertinent details about your company or the interests of your customers. Make sure to emphasize how your offering can assist them with their issues or questions, or how it can enhance their regular business operations. AI tools for video editing can assist video editors in producing excellent video content for their emails. Your emails will become more effective and engaging as a result. To reach a larger audience, you may also utilize AI-powered text-to-speech tools to produce audio versions of your emails. Next is social media outreach. Whether you interact with them on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other platforms, you can interact with the clients, evaluate their content, provide insightful feedback, and hold conversations about how your goods or service may help them. To produce audio content for your social media postings, you can use AI voice generator tools. As a result, individuals who like to access audio content can access them more easily. Chatbots with AI capabilities can also be used to respond to queries automatically. By doing this, you ensure that you stay in constant communication with your audience and save time. Next up is direct mail. Sending direct mail is one of the key strategies to increase cold outreach, as most of the communication that takes place now is digital. You can still use direct mail to create a standout effect. One of the methods that you can use to get a reaction from your targeted prospects is by sending them a real mail like postcards, letters with personalized messaging and specific incentives. You can create content that is unique and eye-catching that grabs the attention of the customer. AI text-to-speech tools can help you develop content that connects with your audience and streamline this process. Using recipient data and AI tools to personalize your direct mail marketing can help increase their impact. Next is cold calling. Cold calling can still be effective if done right. By researching about your potential customers beforehand can be an effective way to increase cold outreach. Other methods like having a clear script and focusing on building connections and addressing their needs can increase your chances of success. You can boost your productivity and approach by utilizing artificial intelligence tools like AI text-to-speech for call analysis to augment your cold calling strategy. Additionally, you may save time and concentrate on interacting with the prospects by using AI-powered tools to automate parts of your cold calling process, such as dialing and call reporting. Next one is networking events. Attending industry conferences, trade exhibitions, and networking events allows you to meet possible clients in person. You may develop connections and turn prospects into customers by having engaging conversations, exchanging contact details, and then following up. Making use of artificial intelligence tools for networking events like automated follow-up emails can simplify your strategy and increase the impact of your efforts. Furthermore, you may prioritize your networking efforts and find valuable contacts by analyzing attendee data with artificial intelligence powered tools. Next up is content marketing. One such method for increasing cold outreach is to produce informative content that emphasizes the interests and problems of your target audience. Content marketing helps customers connect with you through blogs, articles, or webinars that can help establish discussions and build connections. You can more successfully draw in and hold the attention of your audience by utilizing artificial intelligence tools. Also, to improve the quality and efficiency of your content, you can use these tools for content optimization. Furthermore, you can increase the impact and relevancy of your content by employing AI-powered tools to customize it depending on reader data. Next is referral programs. Offering incentives or awards to please clients or partners may be a very powerful way to get cold leads for your company. Personal recommendations from your past or current customers are very influential and can result in worthwhile relationships. With the help of artificial intelligence tools, you can increase the effectiveness of your referral program and generate more leads by tracking and managing it. Automated referral tracking and reporting can help to connect with audience in an efficient manner. Furthermore, by analyzing referral data using AI-powered technologies, you may find patterns and insights that can guide your referral strategy. Next up is LinkedIn outreach. Reaching out to prospects directly with LinkedIn's messaging function enables you to compose tailored messages that show you have knowledge of their business or challenges. You could start up a discussion and develop a connection with them by providing them with resources or insights. You may successfully contact more prospects by utilizing artificial intelligence tools like automated message customization to customize your outreach at scale. Furthermore, by analyzing prospect data using AI-powered technologies, you may find meaningful correlations and adjust your messaging accordingly. Next is guest blogging. Guest posts can help you reach your audience, which can help establish credibility and reputation among your customers. Using artificial intelligence tools to enhance the quality and relevance of your guest blog content, such as content generation tools for topic ideation, can help you create valuable content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, you may find possibilities to further engage your audience and increase website traffic by utilizing AI-powered tools to assess reader interaction with your guest posts. Next is webinars or workshops. Conducting informative webinars or seminars on topics that appeal to your target audience might help in building connections with potential customers. Creating dynamic and captivating webinar content using artificial intelligence tools such as virtual event platforms with AI-powered features may help you provide your audience with an unforgettable and influential webinar experience. Furthermore, you may find insightful information by analyzing participant data using AI-powered tools. This information can then be used to inform future webinar or workshop topics. Next up is personalized video messages. Quick, customized videos that address each lead directly give you the chance to introduce yourself and briefly discuss your goals. By including a clear call to action and the purpose of your services, you can create a good impression. Use AI tools for video editing to produce a visually appealing video with stunning graphics that catches the attention of the customers. Next is A/B testing. Try different approaches to identify the demographic of your target audience. For instance, use different wording, subject lines, and CTA variants. These approaches can improve the effectiveness of your outreach campaign by analyzing the data and making necessary changes to your approach. Artificial intelligence tools can provide insights to assist you in improving your cold outreach strategy, assessing data, and redirecting your approach. By using AI-powered solutions to automate steps in your A/B testing process, such as data collection and analysis, you can also save time and focus on implementing your findings. Next is research your prospects. Make sure you conduct in-depth research on the requirements, challenges, and interests of your potential clients before reaching out to them, because it makes it possible for you to tailor your plan to the intended audience and increase your chances of success. With this approach, you will obtain important insights that guide your outreach strategy by using artificial intelligence tools and other tools to collect and analyze the data of your prospects. Next one is partnerships and collaborations. Last but not least, another such method of increasing cold outreach is through partnerships and collaborations. You can draw in more clients by getting connected with like-minded companies or influencers with a similar audience. With this method, you can interact and organize co-hosting webinars with them to build connections with the target audience. Furthermore, you can assess the effectiveness of your collaborations and pinpoint areas for development by utilizing AI-powered technologies to review partnership data such as audience demographics and engagement metrics. Now, let us look at the major benefits of implementing these strategies. First is increased response rates. The first and foremost advantage of using strategies for your AI automation agency is that it can build stronger connections with an increased response rate. By strategizing your outreach, you can get more attention from potential customers. Customers are more likely to respond to customized videos and messages generated through the use of AI tools for video editing or AI voice generators. A few examples of personalization are referring to the recipient by name, bringing up past exchanges, or highlighting particular issues that your services may help with. Next is improved conversion rates. Improving conversion rates requires emphasizing your distinct value offer. Prospective customers must comprehend why using your AI automation services is ideal for their company. You can prove the value you can add to their company by outlining the advantages of your services in detail and offering pertinent case studies or demos. By doing this, you can increase credibility and trust, which increases the likelihood that prospective clients would pick your agency over rivals. Moreover, offering a clear route to conversion, such as trial offer or free consultation, can help close the deal and turn prospects into customers. Next is stronger client relationships. Developing a solid connection with clients is necessary for sustained success. By adding value and showcasing your knowledge, you may establish credibility and solid foundation for a successful working relationship with prospective clients. You can demonstrate your interest in a potential client's success by providing resources, guidance, or insights related to their business. Over time, this can help your agency's reputation and customer base to develop through the referrals and grow business. By cultivating strong client relationships, your agency may position itself for long term success in the competitive AI automation industry.